Xiaomi 13 Ultra, I still think this is the best camera phone of the year, but I've been really disappointed in this case. Not the lens mounting, this is really solid. Right now I've just got a little UV filter here to protect all the camera sensors on the back. This is also really handy for stacking neutral density filters, make things a little darker, but the build quality of this case is kinda lame. The very first time I took the 13 Ultra out of this case, I got this little crack here at the top corner. That was super disappointing. I have not taken the phone out of the case since this little crack appeared. And now on the bottom of the phone, I'm getting splits on both corners of the case. This one getting really bad, it's real floppy. Hello, I am a shoddily connected case. This is just from normal wear and tear. This case isn't even a year old yet, and I don't think it was because of the grip, because I don't really leave it in this photo grip very often. You kind of slide this on the back of the phone. That doesn't really interact with the bottom corners of the phone. Just really disappointing for how expensive this whole photography kit was for one of the most expensive phones of the year, how quickly it's falling apart.